Well, welcome. I'm George, and this is Barley and Hops. Now, this is just a little bit off the beaten trail, but I thought it was important to share with you because it's a success story out of our community. Yes, I sit before you with a bottle of 100 Mill Street Gin. This was sent to me by Peter Connor, the founder and operator now of a distillery. This is actually bottle number 170 out of batch 4. And that is important, and you'll realize that in just a few moments. But Peter sent me a letter along with this bottle in appreciation for what we do here as a community to share some insights. And he goes on to write, this is just very shortly, he said, without you sharing your passion, I wouldn't have found the inspiration, then the gumption to turn my own passion into a business. Peter, you are awesome. And you deserve all the credit because you've done all the hard work. He said that the videos provided him with the belief that he could make spirits on his own. He said, you instilled the impression that I had produced a damn fine gin. Okay, not knowing how good it was, I impulsively sent it to a well-known reviewer. It was a gamble, but the affirmation is gold. I can't thank you enough for generously sharing your knowledge and expertise as combined with a pinch of my own inspiration, guts I guess, resulted in what I hope to find is a damn fine spirit. And Peter, you do have a damn fine spirit, here to tell you. And hopefully those out there in the community get an opportunity to try it as well. It is available in retail markets up in the northern portion of the world, up there in the Wisconsin area. Now, here's how they do this. They collect 30, this is so unique. He collects 30, he only produces 3,000 bottles, but he collects 30,000 gallons, and this is seasonal, 30,000 gallons of maple sap from 3,000 robust trees up in northern Wisconsin. Now, he completes all of this in small 26-gallon batches. So he's running 3,000 bottles out of 26-gallon batches. See, I told you it would be important. This was batch number 4. Oh, I will include his website address down below so you can see that. Please give him a shout out on the channel. I'm sure he'll appreciate that as much as I would appreciate that as well. So in any event, this is just living proof that don't put on your blinders. You're more capable and you're more apt to be successful if you just express your passion. Happy distilling.